Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel Carr and I'm a plant-based chef. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make an absolutely indulgent but guilt-free dessert. We're going to be making chocolate brownies, oil-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Let's get started. Start by adding 3/4 cup of white beans, 3/4 cup of applesauce, and 3 ounces of unsweetened baking chocolate. Puree these 3 ingredients together in the food processor until it's as smooth as you can get it. You'll have to open up the food processor a few times and scrape down the sides because the baking chocolate's a little chunky and it needs to be done a few times in order to get it really smooth. Once these ingredients are smooth, we're going to add chocolate powder, oat flour, turbinado sugar or coconut sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and a little vanilla extract. Next, you're going to pulse this a few times in the food processor. You want to make sure that you're just doing it until everything is well incorporated, and you don't want to overmix this. It won't be as light and fluffy if it gets overmixed. Next, we'll take the batter and we'll put it in an 8x8 baking pan that's lined with parchment paper, and we're going to spread it out with a spatula. It's a little bit sticky, this batter, so it might take a few minutes to get it into the pan, but believe me, it's worth it. So spread it out nice and evenly, pushing the batter to the corners, trying to smooth out the top as best you can. Now we're going to bake it for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius. Next, we're going to make the chocolate icing while the brownies are baking. We're going to start with almond butter, maple syrup, add some chocolate powder, a little almond milk, and some vanilla extract. Next, we're going to puree this up until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. We're going to add it to the icing and just pulse it a few times to break it up. This is optional. Once our brownies are out of the oven, we need to let them cool down for a little bit before we put the icing. And then we're just going to spoon it over the top and spread it out nice and evenly. And then your brownies are done. I recommend allowing the brownies to cool in the refrigerator to allow the icing to set a little bit before taking it out and cutting it. And then you're going to cut it into 9 equal sized squares, and bon appetit. Please subscribe for more delicious and healthy plant-based recipes.